I have been trading Forex for 2 years and I know what it is. Platforms with unreasonably high commissions, low win rates for currency pairs, and if you follow smart signals, I'm pretty sure that you are always in the red. And that's why I studied the market and developed a top trading strategy. I have already made more than $40,000 with it, and I'm ready to teach you. Watch the video until the end and I will tell you step by step how it works.
I want you to teach me how to do it.
Hello dear traders, this is Evelyn. I have been trading for over 5 years and over the last year I made over $1.5 million. Do you want to know how I managed to earn so much? Join my Telegram channel. There you'll find a pretty big community of 26,000 members. And guess what? Every day we trade together. They simply repeat my transactions and together earn $600 to $700K every day. It's all free and they have my personal support. Join via the first link in the description and in the pinned comment. Now let me teach you the strategy. I've tested it more than 20 times already and my win rate is always above 95%. Can you imagine? So I set myself an ambitious task. For this session, I should earn $4,000 from 19 bucks. Of course, we will trade on my favorite platform, Pocket Option. I have been using it for more than 3 years and I earned my first million with it. Imagine. Let's set everything up very quickly and follow me. You need to set the candlestick time frame to 30 seconds and the trade time to 1 minute. Second, select currency pairs. Today we will trade Aussie and Canadian dollar, Aussie and Swiss franc, Aussie and US dollar, Canadian dollar and Swiss franc. Perfect. Now on to the indicators. Today we'll take a very effective combination, a rune and Bollinger Bands. Both has very standard parameters. If you're curious about why this indicator combo is so successful, watch this video to the end and I'll break it down for you. But first, tell me, do you know any cool traders? If yes, share in the comments. Wouldn't it be cool if we all learned about new experts?
Yeah, that's right.
Well, it's time for real magic. Of course, no one is going to levitate, but I'm very determined to increase the amount of my deposit. Now let's move on to demonstrating our profitable strategy. Let's get started. Canadian and Swiss franc. Rune shows us that a downtrend is about to start, which means it is sideways and the red candle will completely cover the green one. So we're going short, pressing lower. We are off to a good start. In 1 minute, our account almost doubled, $36. Awesome. I'll skip Australian dollar and US dollar for now. The situation is controversial and I don't want to take unnecessary risks. Aussie and Swiss franc. Both indicators indicate a continuation of the bearish trend. Let's not argue with them and go lower. A little more and fantastic! How well our indicators work, right? Our account balance has grown even bigger. We have 69 bucks. Let's move on to the next one. Australian and Canadian dollars. The chart shows a very strong bullish impulse, which raises doubts that the movement will continue. A correction is too likely. Click lower. We like seeing this. Our total reached $133 and we're already in the black by 100 bucks. It's time to like this video because I'm sharing with you the most advanced ways to make money online. Now, back to business.
Okay, let's do it.
Canadian and Swiss franc. Apparently a new level is being formed, but at the same time there is an uptrend, since even periodically the price still increases. We're going bullish on this one, pressing higher. You see it, right? Great strategy. Now I have $255 in my account. This is how we can quickly make money on Forex. So, the Australian dollar and US dollar. Situation is again controversial. I'll skip this pair because it's a big risk that we don't need to take. Aussie and Swiss franc. It's in a slight consolidation, but we're still seeing an upward movement. Higher button. Perfect! We have $490, therefore we slowly and calmly continue trading. By the way, I recommend watching another video with an amazing and profitable strategy, thanks to which I was able to turn 20 bucks into $6,503. Not bad, huh? I think not. Take a look, delve into it, study this strategy. Click here or follow the link in the description to watch the video.
Okay, I will, thank you.
Australian and Canadian dollars. Again, both of our indicators predict a falling price, and it is clear that the green peaks are at their maximum level here. So we expect price to plummet flat from here on. Clicking lower. Great! The amount is now at $940, and it's time to move on. Canadian and Swiss franc. The pair shows a very sluggish upward movement through constantly repeating sideways. This means we need to wait for a reversal from the support level we're approaching. Higher button. Wonderful! Income has reached $1,805, and this makes me happy. Let's move on to the next one. Aussie and US dollar. So the candles have reached their maximum range, and we expect a rebound and a downward trend. Going lower. Yes, it happens. The couple paints an ambiguous situation twice, but then everything becomes clearer. And we won! Amazing! Do you know how to make money with Forex even faster? $2,725 from $19 in 10 minutes. Have you ever earned such amounts in such a period of time?
I don't think so.
So, a couple of pairs are no longer available. It happens. The relationship between the prices of the two currencies no longer occurs. First, the interest rates fall, and then the pair closes for trading. So let's just move on to the next one. Australian and Canadian dollar. It is logical to expect a good upward movement here. We can see that the bulls are actively trying to break the trend. But let's be brave and go bullish. Click higher. And now it's time to talk about the indicators that helped us navigate this session. So let's start with Arun. It is an indicator designed to determine the trend, primarily its strength and direction. And also it's meant to indicate the formation of a new trend or its absence. This allows us, traders, to adjust our strategy in time. The Bollinger Bands graphically consists of 3 lines. The moving average is in the center. It indicates the direction of price movement. And the 2 lines around it show the price volatility. If the width between them increases, then the market is unstable, and if the channel between them narrows, then this indicates stability. In combination, indicators help analyze the chart in relation to volatility, in relation to the trend, and helps to successfully predict market behavior in the future. Fabulous! $3,645 in our pocket. Let's make another deal. So, trade number 10, Canadian and Swiss franc. We see a continuation of the upward trend, which will most likely end soon. But on the minute time frame, we will have time to take our toll. Therefore, press higher button. Brilliant! We need a round of applause because that was real beauty. From $19, we made $4,565 in 10 or 12 minutes. Simply a masterpiece session.
It's a masterpiece.
As you can see, my strategy worked out great again. If you are looking for profitable strategies and signals, I recommend joining my Telegram channel. More than 26k subscribers continue to trade with me, and every day together they earned $600,000 to $700,000 using the most profitable strategies with a win rate above 89%. And take a look at their happy confessions.
I was almost like giving up trading, and then I found Evelyn.
I really appreciate your help, the way you are helping us to earn money.
You make it easy. I don't know how you make that.
And then I was able to make real money, actually. And I'm so happy for it.
Thanks, friends. And I help you figure it out. How to use Pocket Option, which buttons to press, details, step by step, and completely free. As you can see, trading and signals are not that difficult at all. Just copy my trades and earn $900 a day. All you need is add to my free Telegram channel and write me a private message. Follow the first link in the description or in the pinned comment under this video. Today's session was simply amazing. Thanks for watching this video. Like and comment on all my videos. And of course, subscribe to the channel. I also recommend watching this awesome video. You'll see me earning $5,856 effortlessly by investing just $1. $1 investment with a return of $5,856. This is simply stunning. So be sure to watch, study, and trade. Click here or look for the link in the description. Be sure to share links to my channels with your friends. We will gather the largest and strongest community of traders. I love everyone. Kisses. Bye, kid, and see you on my Telegram.